Vikas, I had a quick question. Does SIP mean I'm investing in a different mutual fund every month?
Not at all, Sapna. With a systematic investment plan, SIP, you invest in the same mutual fund regularly, usually on a monthly basis.
So I'm not switching funds every time?
No, you're simply purchasing additional units of the same fund each month. The only thing that changes is the number of units you receive, depending on the fund's net asset value, that is NAV, at that time.
That's helpful. I assumed SIP meant something more complex.
It's actually designed to simplify investing. By committing a fixed amount regularly, you may reduce the impact of market timing and develop investment discipline over time.
I see. So once I choose a fund, the SIP just keeps adding to it?
Exactly. Think of it as gradually building your investment portfolio brick by brick, smoothly and systematically.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.